My video is about getting rid of fake survey alerts that are associated with the site Evenfileag.live. This site, Evenfileag.live, is absolutely deceptive. The real purpose of this pop-up is to force users into sharing their personal details. Evenfileag.live tries to convince people to participate in this fake survey, but actually it's a mistake to share any of your personal details through these fake surveys. So don't ever do that. Don't share any of your personal information through such fake survey alerts. If you do that, your personal data may be granted to third parties illegally. What I recommend you to do is investigating your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate all other types of threats which could possibly remain on the system. Get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.